Hey, hey. The last thing I want for you is to be in toxic relationship. Toxic relationship can drain you mentally, physically, even emotionally. Most of us find ourselves in this situation where we don't know when we get in there, when can we come out from there, and we find ourselves there and see ourselves there. That's why I got three signs of toxic relationship that you must be aware of it, and you must know really if you're in toxic relationship. My name is Penkeruka. This channel is about relationship advice. Where we take a problem from a relationship and get solution about it, and we get better in our marriages and our relationship. Please, if you want to know more about relationship advice, please subscribe. Comment below with your toxic sign in your relationship and hit the bell for notification. Wherever I release a new video, you are the first one to know. Let's start and let's get into it. The first sign of toxic relationship is poor communication. Poor communication is where you cannot even say hello to each other. You cannot say hello. You can't say hi in the morning. You just wake up. You go and you go. In the after. I mean, at night the same thing. Even when you cook food, you just put the communication or whatever. So communication is very important in the relationship, because if you don't have communication, if you are not talking in your relationship, the relationship is dead. I never ever hear that there is a successful relationship where the communication is not there. The communication in a relationship is the first thing so that your relationship can succeed. If you don't have communication, then the relationship is dead. If you find yourself in this situation that you are not talking to each other, you are not attract at interacting each other, you are not commenting each other, like you are just quiet and silence mode, you must know that your relationship is not going anywhere. You must know that you must know that your relationship is not going anywhere. You must know your relationship is a toxic relationship. When you find this thing like that someone don't communicate with you, you're not interacting with each other, you're not telling each other anything, you must know that you are in toxic relationship. That is first, poor communication. The second sign of toxic relationship is disrespect. This one is where someone even can't respect you, in where no matter is in the house, no matter is outside, no matter is wherever you are, he can't respect you. This is people who don't respect others. Sometimes you find yourself that maybe you are in the house and the kids are there. He's talking bad about you. He's in front of the kids. Sometimes you find yourself that he's calling you names in front of the kids. He's calling you names in front of your friends. Let's say that maybe you have gone with your friends outside, you and him and the friends. He tend to pick up on you in a negative way. Even in the family meeting or every time you are with him, he pick up on you in a negative way. He tell people negative about you, and sometimes he just ignore what people are talking about. He just talk negative about you of all the time. That is disrespect. Even disrespecting you in front of your children, that one is bad. That one, you must know that you are in toxic relationship. If you find yourself in this situation, you must know that you are in toxic relationship. The third sign of toxic relationship is bad temper. Bad temper is where someone can't control himself emotionally. Let's say that maybe you tell him something that he was not expecting. He just explode. Even though he's on the shops, even though he's in the mall, anywhere he is, he just explode and start fighting. These people, this person, you find out he fights everywhere. He's uncontrollable. Sometimes he fight with friends, he fight with relatives, he fight with on the street, he fight at work. He's got that anger, that range, that he can't control himself. And when you find this person like that, you must know you are in toxic relationship. And these people like that who got anger, they have to go for counseling or what do you call it, therapy, so that they can get a help, so that they can learn how to calm themselves down. This person need a help. And if you find yourself that in this situation that someone is uncontrollable emotionally, that he just explodes every time, you must know that this person you are with, you are in toxic relationship with him. Please, I want to add something on top of these three signs of toxic relationship. Sometimes you find out that someone is invading your privacy. Invading your privacy is where invading your private things, like let's say a phone. Let's say that maybe you are in the house and then someone called. Maybe you are in the kitchen and him is in the bedroom and the phone is there in the bedroom. So when the phone calls or when the WhatsApp come, you find yourself that he's going to pick up your phone, or he's going to answer the WhatsApp. You want to know who is it you are talking to, who you are talking to, who did you call today. Those things like that, those things is someone is controlling you, someone is invading your privacy, which is not good. This also is also a sign of toxic relationship, because is someone want to know the other life you are living, beside him. We have to live, yeah, we have to live our life, even though we are married, even though we are in the relationship, we have to live the other life with other people. Though we are in the relationship, we have to live our life with the other people, because we find ourselves adults and we have a life before we met each other. So we have to continue, and yeah, the life goes on. So when you find someone like that who is doing those things like that, you must know that that is also a sign of a sign of toxic relationship, and you have to talk about it. The other thing is the the other things the other thing is you don't have a voice in your relationship. When you don't have a voice in your relationship, is like you don't have something to add, or you don't have, like, if maybe let's say you are going to buy a something, like maybe a coach or clothing, kids clothing, or maybe you want to buy something like that. When you go to him, he's the one who gonna choose the color, he's the one who gonna choose the size, he's the one you have nothing to talk about the things you are buying. You have no voice at all. You are just, whatever I say is statement and finish and class, stamp. This one, like this, you must know that if you are going through something like that, that you don't have a voice, the voice of your relationship, you must know that you are in toxic relationship. Everything is about him. Everything is about him. There is nothing. There is no statement you can make that it's good for the family. Every time, it's everything must go his way, or nothing else. So when you find yourself in this situation, you must know that also you are in toxic relationship. And the other thing is, if the family notice that you are going through something and then they start to confront you, you must not get angry. You must just calm down and ask yourself, why people they are telling me the same thing? Because people, they can notice what you are going through, but sometimes we don't see each other, but other people can see. If you see something like that, you must take a step about it, and see what you can do for yourself, for your life to be better, not to stay in toxic relationship while you are stressed and depressed and just sit there and don't do nothing about it. Or sometime when you are going through that thing in toxic relationship, you must talk to a friend or maybe someone you are comfortable with. When you see these signs, you can talk about things that you are going through, and then maybe that someone can help you, or you can get a counseling or therapy or something like that. And if that someone you don't want to go to therapy, or you don't want to be better with you can just drop him down, or just leave him, because when you stay there, you're gonna end up being miserable in your life. So that's why you must check on this. That's why you must check on these toxic signs of toxic in the relationship, so that you can be better and know what to do about it. Thank you.